this question, we are given a data about the sample of the asset in the $1 million, that is 28 credit unions, 28 credit union in a state, and the sigma we are given here, which is the 3 point sigma we are given at $3.5 million, $3.5 million, and user find the 99% of confidence interval. So let's solve this question. We are given a data, so let's write. So the formula we are using, which is the confidence interval, we can say it is the x bar minus e less than mu, less than, we can write x bar plus e. And what is the x bar here? So x bar, which is equal to summation x divided by n, and the e here is the margin of error.